Lakefront property looks peaceful and simple from the shoreline, but after researching docks, waterfront structures, and lake conditions, I realized many future lakefront owners make expensive assumptions before they buy. And unfortunately, some mistakes don't show up until after the purchase. 5 things future lakefront owners get wrong. I'm a teacher preparing for retirement and researching everything about lakefront living before I buy, and sharing what I learned so you can avoid expensive mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes future lakefront owners make is assuming their lake will stay calm most of the time. Large lakes can generate surprisingly powerful wind-driven waves. Boat traffic can create constant wake damage, and some shorelines receive direct wave exposure during storms. Remember what fetch is? It's the distance that the wind can travel across the lake. The longer the fetch, the higher and bigger the waves can be. So ignoring water depth changes. Many people focus on the house, but forget to study the water. Some lakes fluctuate dramatically throughout the year. A dock that works perfectly during high water may become unusable during drought conditions. Another surprise for many buyers, waterfront ownership often includes major dock expenses, and cheap dock systems can become expensive very quickly. Anchoring, hardware, corrosion protection, permits, maintenance, wave reinforcement. It adds up. A dock lives in one of the harshest environments imaginable: water, storms, sunlight, corrosion, movement, and sometimes ice. Many future lakefront owners imagine relaxing weekends, but forget that waterfront structures require inspection and maintenance. I have made up a dock inspection checklist that you can get for free on my website, and the link is at the end of the video. The final mistake might be the biggest one. Many buyers fall in love with the view without evaluating the shoreline engineering. These factors may matter just as much as the house itself: soil conditions, wave exposure, water depth, shoreline slope, dock survivability. What you can't see can cost you. So here's the dock inspection checklist and also blogs based on videos I've made at https://pennyraildocks.com. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. We're working on the best dock for flood zones and also what I learned researching docks for retirement.